Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wait, me Kim ha. Okay. So today, teacher Ann will gonna share something to you. Okay. So let us have this speaking class. How are you
Yes.
today? And what is the weather in Vietnam? What is the weather in Vietnam, Kim?
Mm.
It's hot. It's what? Okay, so we have speaking skills. Okay, so you have to tell me about your family. Can you please tell teacher Ann about your family?
Yes, teacher. My family have four people.
Mm-hmm.
They are father, mother, brother, and me.
Mm-hmm. And okay, so you have. How about your grandma and grandpa? Where are they?
Um, um, can you um can you talk again?
Okay, how about grandma and grandpa? How are they?
Um, uh, they they hmm,
They're at
uh,
home.
let me let me remember.
Let me remember. Okay, they're in the countryside.
Yes.
Hey, how old is your grandma?
Uh, my grandma a
60 plus or
no
70 plus?
a 85.
Oh, 85.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, wait me, Kim Kim ha. Just a minute, Kim. Okay, wait me.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. How do you go to school? Kim, how do you go to school?
Hmm. I go to school by bike.
Oh, you go to school by bike. Okay,
Yeah.
is your school far from your house?
No.
Okay, it's
Uh,
just near.
yes.
Ah, far. Ah, near. Okay, next one.
Yes.
Do you like traveling by train?
Traveling by.
Train.
Hmm. I think I like.
Okay, you like it. Okay, have you tried
Yeah.
to travel by train? Have you tried?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good. Where did you go?
I go to Nha Trang.
Okay. So now, Kim, please try to find the differences. Please try to find the differences.
Okay.
Please encircle, and
Yes.
after you tell me at least four differences that you can see. Okay, encircle first. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Kim.
Hmm. Yes, teacher, I think around.
And okay, now tell me, can you please tell me three differences that you can see in the picture? Okay, three. You
Uh,
name three. Number one.
yes, teacher. The number one. Um, the word. The number one. Clock on the Apple's Buster and the Apple Buster on on the clock.
Okay, next, another one.
Mm. Yes, teacher. I, yes, teacher. The number one is the two birds with the two green bird and two gray bird.
Okay. Okay, so you
Uh,
can find here
this,
the
yes, this
oh,
is Yes.
Oh, yeah, yes, it's a bat. Okay, the bird, it's gray and green. Okay, what's next?
Uh,
The last one, you tell me last one.
yes, teacher, the last one is the moon, is the sky, have the moon and sky has has not moon.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Are you see my mouse?
Okay, where is it? And last one is
This
the Kim, it's
is the moon.
the moon. Ah, yeah, it's half moon. And then in the second picture,
Yes.
no moon. Okay. Okay, let us have this one. Actually, there were so many that you can find in here. So many differences. Okay. So this is Anne and Bill. They live in the same street. Okay, this is Anne. This is Bill. And I don't know anything about Anne. Can you please tell me? Can you please write your answer on the questions?
Yes.
Okay, you can write here or in the chat. Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Right here, here. Okay.
Um,
Go, Kim. Right
yes.
here beside.
Yes, I say yes, teacher, I don't.
You're done. Let me see.
Yes.
Okay. Where is Anne's house?
Hmm.
Okay. It is.
Near the museum.
Okay. It's near the museum. Okay. Is it old or new?
It's new.
Okay. How many windows are there in Anne's house?
They are six window.
There are six windows. Again,
Yes.
there There are. There.
There
There
are.
are. Okay. So now, what color is your house?
It's blue and white.
It's blue and white.
White.
Okay. Has it got a garden?
No, it hasn't.
You know it hasn't. Okay, there is no garden. Okay, let us go to Bill. Okay. So please try
Um,
to check about Bill. The boy is Bill. Okay. Wait me, huh? I will erase. Okay, just answer directly. Answer directly. Put your answer here. Put your answer here. Do not copy the question. Put your answer here. Go, you can do it.
oh, yes. I see.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes, teacher, I don't.
Hear me. It is.
Yes, teacher.
What color is his house?
Uh, it's red and white.
It's red and white.
Right.
How many windows are there in Bill's house?
There are 10 windows.
There are 10 windows. Oh, so many windows. Okay, here. Has it got a garden? What do you think?
Uh, um, yes, a cat.
Yes, it has. Okay. Where is Bill's house? Where is Bill's house?
Um, Miss how a near the station.
Okay, it is near the station.
Station.
Wow, okay. Okay, so you have here, very good, Kim. We have here, Kim, pictures. These pictures tell a story. It's called The Picnic. Okay, just look at the pictures first. Look at the picture first, okay? And
Yes.
after, this is John and Sally. Okay, the boy is John and the girl is Sally. This is the mom and this is the dad. So, John and Sally, their parents are getting into their car. They are going to have picnic. Now you tell the story, okay? So you check the picture first and tell me the story after, okay?
Okay.
Wait me ha. Okay, first. If you're done looking at the pictures and you can think what they are doing, so let us start the talking. I will give you 3 minutes to do that.
Um, Let me think.
Okay, go. You think first. Kiss me ha. Ay, naku, Lord. In Jesus' name.
Uh,
You done?
yes.
Okay.
John,
Wait me. Okay, first, you tell me what happened in the first picture, huh? This one.
John and Sally, John, Sally, and their parents are getting into their car. They are
Okay,
going to have picnic.
very good. They're getting into the car and they're doing a
Uh,
picnic. Okay, number two. Look at number two.
uh, they go to uh the picnic
Mm-hmm.
the camping area.
And then,
Uh, and then the father um uh, mm, mm, I bring food.
okay, they are
And
preparing the food. And
the
how about the
father
man?
I bring food and but it's on the um on the
Okay, the mother is quite tired. Look at the mom. Oh, I feel tired. Okay, number three. Look at number three. What happened to number three?
um uh, to John and Sally are playing tennis. And they don't know um and they don't know has they have to be behind they
Okay, so they are playing. It's not tennis, it's badminton, I guess. Okay. And then there is, what is this?
uh with the beer. Mm.
So number four, look at number four. Look at number four. What happened in number four?
Um um the bee go to the foot.
Mm-hmm.
Uh the the beer go to the foot uh and they um and uh and John and Sally and John's father has gay so they climb the tree to hide the beer.
Okay, so look at that. The bear really wants to eat something. So when Sally and Shan saw what the bear really wanted, they give him, okay, there's a baby one, a
Yes.
banana. Or do you think the bear is happy?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So here is the answer. The family have arrived in the country. The father is putting the picnic on the grass. The mother is sleeping in the sun. A bear is watching the family. Okay. He's saying to the baby, come and eat. The father is afraid. Oh, look at the dad. The dad climb the tree, and the children aren't afraid. They're giving the bear some bananas. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, Kim, we don't have enough time. So, teacher Anne will say goodbye, and I will see you tomorrow, right? Friday? I will see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, 1 p.m. tomorrow. Is that okay again?
Can we have a lesson on 2 p.m.?
I will check because teacher Anne has a class at 2 p.m. I cannot have class at 2 p.m. I have class in school. So I cannot have class 2 p.m. 1 p.m. Is that okay?
Oh,
Or 7 p.m. Night?
yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Wait, I will message you or 6 p.m. Is that okay? 6.
6 p.m. It's the time. It's the time I eat dinner.
Oh, you eat dinner. I will message you later if what
Mhm.
time teacher is free tomorrow. But I am free 1 p.m. and morning.
Can
Morning.
mo on the morning. On the morning. Um. I. Hmm, I have a class lesson from from 7:30 to 9:30.
7:30 to 9:30, like 10 p.m. is okay.
Yes,
At 10 a.m. 10 a.m.
10 p.m.
a.m. a.m.
Uh, it's okay.
Okay, so I will message you tomorrow. Okay, out later. Okay, bye bye, Kim
Yes.
Kim.
Goodbye, teacher.